What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just went and picked up these new tires for those wheels that I got in the last video. Right now I'm on my way back to the house. I got to put the valve stems and everything in. Been searching for these tires for 2 days, can't find them, but finally found a set. Hopefully they work. But we're gonna head to the house right now, mount them up, and I'm gonna do it all myself. And then after that we'll put them on. Hopefully they clear. See you guys at the house. All right guys, we're back at the house. Here's those wheels again. I got these used tires, $100, can't really beat it. Don't even know if they're gonna fit, but we're gonna put these valve stems in real quick. These are the lug nuts I got. I wanted black, but I couldn't find any. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod. I'm gonna time lapse putting all of these on. Hopefully I can do it without scratching it. And we'll go from there. Threw the back on, seems to clear with no issues. It's jacked up right now, so it ain't where it sits, but on the front, I did have to run this AutoZone spacer, and then I had to pull out my fender liners just because of the size tire that I got. I got a 235/55, and then for my rim, it's kind of touching right there, so I shaved that down just a hair, and I raised my coils by ½ an inch, and we're gonna see if that clears. I don't have high hopes for this pinch weld up here. Might have to cut that out, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, get everything adjusted, and I'll pick back up when I'm gonna test drive it. Just go around the block.
Where am I going, that way?
It don't matter, I don't care. All right, guys, we got it done. It's the next day. I went and got it washed up after work yesterday. This is how it's sitting. I do got to roll the fenders a little bit. That way I can lower the front down just a hair. But that's how it sits. I wish I would have went with like a 9.5 in the front. That way I didn't have to do so much work. But it looks pretty good for how it is. I'm trying to go down like maybe 1/2 inch or 1 inch. Because I like how the back is tucking. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think on these new wheels. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do next on it. I might put my wing back on. I took it off just for a different look. Let me know if you guys think I should put it back on or not. But thanks for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.